draping instruction for the Barrier Beach Chair Shoulder Set from lnlycke Healthcare. Start by placing the split sheet onto the patient. Unfold first towards you and then away from you. Unfold the drape towards the patient's feet. Remove the release paper. Attach the drape on the patient. Apply the split as wide as possible around the shoulder of the patient. Unfold the stockinette once and place your hands inside the folding. Then place the stockinette over the hand and unfold. Fix it with an OP tape. Unfold the drape once to see the pictogram. Put your hand inside the opening. Take the patient's hand and pull it through the opening. Remove the release papers. Place the aperture as high as possible on the shoulder. Unfold the drape away from you, towards the feet, and then over the head. Draping is then complete. Shape the pouch with the integrated flexi wires. Use the hook and loop to fix cables and tubings.